So my people, may have about 3 to 4 live for share with you know. Seeing Rosalie just come make the people them know say them all on pan candy. The police them all on pan candy. That's what I say. He must guard the station because I'm in a vibes with him and whatever. And them have thing I wait upon him and just hold on upon him. That's what I say. One woman you know pull up at the place which part of them have Ivan, you know what I mean? And we are going to get into that, my people, because she could potentially, you know what I mean, kind of give we information where we want. That's what I say. We are going to watch that together. First, I watch it. I going to watch it with Uno. Yes, with me. And RT boss make cheese, break down and cry. Is it. So, we're going to kick it off with Rosalie. You see me? So, I can hear what Rosalie.
If you matter with him, you can help him out with whatever. So I'm there lock up because Nina said he must have assault her. Yeah. And them that look like them they get locked up and they got a court and them drop the case. So that him get locked up for and they are central. When that case had gone long time much in a year now. But to him got the station and must hold on upon him. Had they eventually warrant out for him. But they must know where him live, where him there. So the argument now make him got the station for them hold on upon him. So I talk about beg. Beg for what? You chat to me, I don't like you know. Oh, she gonna come back for candy now too. So she sung and rejoice over the boy don't fall. Two them see the boy on the internet and feel that the boy have the world. Say you're not gonna make it on TikTok? You neither Nina. Cause Nina I got with herself fucking a gully. How me go up to her how me go up to her and I scrub my face. I went up and look it was who, if I know the person. And she I'm gonna answer her all now. If you can argue with blood clot, can you want kick you up and me you want argue with? 9 Roses your chat. So me know such them a liar. Nine Roses chat. 4 more persons that rose. Sean, Taya. 4 more roasts. 3 more persons with a roast chat. 1 more person, Alice Carmel. All right, thank you guys. So that's how the story come out Sunday. Through me a chat, Chan. That's how the story come out Sunday. Actually, I have the screen card on my phone. When somebody go over the live and over there, I talk to Tatiana. Double chat. I have it on my phone. That's how I come about her. And then Tatiana don't tell us to leave Rosalie because Rosalie not trouble you. Tatiana over there blood clot laugh. But I obedient to them. Double chat. No, the case was not closed. The case was not closed. The case was in process, but they look like Candy jumped the case. Thank you, baby. It look like Candy. Somebody can snipe her out for me. Thank you, baby. Baby, thank you. It look like Candy jumped the case. Candy jumped the case. The case was never closed. Him jump it. So when you jump a case and warrant out for you, when them not have the address, them don't know where to send it. When warrant out for you, I jump a case and warrant out for you. When them now the address, them don't know where to send it. Jordy, what's up, me baby? I try me a chat to send my wife. What's up? Guys, somebody can't snap this to me. Nobody know boy. Aye, tired, thank you. So true, the warrant out like the case was in, but him jump it. Jump the case. Thank you, Chad. So when I jump the case now, and the warrant will go out for you, them not gonna know where you live for send it go. So if Candy never get in, thank you, Chad. If Candy never, any man never jump off, him that day so.
Some people, boy, me I tell you. So Candy, you never know say him have thing where him jump off from. Him never know that. Jano, boy, sad for him, but him have to, you know what I mean, angle him situation. And him did spread the bed there, so him have to lay down in it. Enough time I hear him on him live. I don't really watch him that often still, you know what I mean, but enough time I hear him on him live. I talk about some things where him do, you know what I mean. And me feel like say if him never did a one fish, he would have be, you know what I mean, a boss said that if him now do them something there, you see me, and him use him fish life for hide them thing the way him do. Yes, what I say. So I have to go lay down in the bed the way him spread. You understand what I say? Because you did have a case and you jump off before it done and take away yourself left it. Them still have it in the system, you know. Them just want to hold on upon you when them see you again. And guess what go happen to you, you know? Them not go give you no bail. Them not go give you no bail until the case done. Because them are go say the same thing you are go do. Run well if a case. You see me? So you make it bad for yourself. And you see it, people, you have to be careful what you're doing in your past, you know, because it might catch up on you in the future when things are going for you. Because things are going for him look better than what used to go on for him, and them hold on upon him and lock him down. So make we listen some more of what Rosalie have to say.
So, me if you say more pay money a court for it, but boy, what top shot. So she must feel like say me a come back fundraising. If I saw the case, we beg the fundraising. Simple. All I can the people them help him out. I have him name pan him platform already. All of the moderator them come together and put and try help him out. Simple. Remember when she da want teeth, if body good it no work out. Cause she the things that she da come.
So after when he lock up?
For Monday.
So when he might come out?
Him not come out, him have to wait until he got court.
So what they lock him up for?
Me can't repeat the word yeah so.
For fighting?
No. S-E-X-U. Listen now. May I spell the word. S-E-X-U-A-L-L-Y. Assault.
Oh. 3 donuts shot, so who report him in boyfriend?
That word there. Eh?
3 donuts shot or one heart?
One and heart. Eh?
Like 1 heart. I man
You turn your back. What you say?
I man report him.
No one child. What them did they with down in our gully.
Guys, 2 more donuts. Guys, quick. Jesus Christ, so no wicked to me, you know?
Double chat. So in the central now in a custody, man, the man. Can I lock up the man for the phone, but apart from that, the man involved in it too.
So when you go lock up the man, they will and pan him?
Mm-hmm. But it look like him jump the case. It look like him jump the case. So he does like him there at the wrong station. Him jump the case. Double chat. Lord God. Thank you. Thank you, my baby. Guys, we can't be gonna sump on the double. Him jump the case. So it look like when him go report the man, then what I'm panning with the man. So then them two of them they are central. But me I try for ask the lady when they visiting they come, I go look for him, but she said Sunday. But me I wonder what time Sunday me da buy one food can go give man drinks. And two look underpants and so.
That's nice. We do that for real.
So me I try, make sure tell me when I visit him, when me can go visit him, can me da go Sunday go do it. This Sunday. Because him nah go come out until I forgot a quote and what the court say if them grant him bail or so.
Why?
It's a case where it's not station bail. You ever got a court and the court grant a bail, or you get a lawyer and the lawyer grant a bail.
While I fuck up, imagine you do me sit down, me go police station, go report you and then hold on for me to pussy clot. No, sir, I prefer call. Not a blood clot. Executioner drop your gloves for the 30 seconds.
Guys who want 4.5K figure go up. Somebody can beg on one wheel.
Yeah, remind me not gonna report nobody at all. Me I'll call them.
But you never know, say, this is triple. Depends on the station where it's there. You never know. But apparently warrant all fear for them can hold on pan you.
Why?
So you have to wait until the court day come up.
Executioner.
And then sitting there take time, you know. I hope people in a custody for long though. Caramel with the boots and gloves.
Shoot me, teeth.
Shoot. Please.
Shoot, chat, please.
Caramel, you have to send some on it first, Caramel.
Shoot.
Thank you,
Executioner.
Come on, guys.
Come on, guys, shoot.
Come on, chat. Snipe on it, no chat.
Yes,
executioner,
no
chat.
shoot.
If you go really go away and come back.
Because thank you.
Guys, 1K people we have over here, you know.
Shoot,
1K
chat.
people.
Oh, chef, me never think about that.
Thank you so much, chat.
I didn't even thought of that for real. Executioner, thank you, tickers.
I don't go recharge and beg on something, man, please.
And the police, them couldn't even.
So, what a surprise they must get when them hold on upon him and make him know say them have a warrant for him. Remember, them go for lock up somebody, you know, and them just hold on upon him. I bet the man down there laugh after him right now. I say, you come for lock me up and you get locked up too. He must feel a way. He must regret, say, him go report this man. Yeah. You see me I say? He must regret it. Boy, me I tell him people. But I'm spread the bed, you know what I mean? And here Rosalie I say, she hope him come out quick. Them a go spite him. Yeah, man, them a go spite him, man. Them a go spite him because them a go say, alright, we now give you the chance for run off again. You see me I say? Them a go say, we are going to hold you until everything done. If you're free, we are going to free you. If you go to prison, we are going to carry you go there. Boy, may I tell you. That's why, as me say, people, you have to be careful what you do, yeah, man. Because some of the time, things now go on for you, and you just make a decision based on your current situation. But later down the line, when you live your good life, here comes the past. You see me? So, make me know what I think. And make watch some more here, Rosalie, I say.
Executioner tickers, thank you.
Essential him there.
Yeah, but they not post and beat him off in there for you know they stay when them people they go in there, Rosalie.
Yes, but I don't know, probably trim. Yeah, probably trim lifestyle.
From beat them up for police to do it themselves. Rose is my team up in Europe and come up for Candy not really Candy kind of fragile, like Candy not really why Candy can't manage my sitting there. Rose is my team.
Just hope so. 3.2K guys to 13. But when me I say his strip, it look like say, could the cabbage with bully beef, GX? It look like say, when them they have a coat and them jump it. Like that go on. When I have a coat and you jump it, when I have the case and you jump the cage for months till they reach years and then one umpire you a straight lock up. So I'm not bail now, I've got lie and all of them something there. Depends on the cell where I'm going on. But why? And then central appear. Aye. That's what I'm doing.
Rose is my team.
So then while I'm pan him for Monday, so him now go
Executioner, thank you.
come out. Him now go come out until what the court say, but me have a friend who work there, so she shall call me tomorrow. I remind myself to call her, say me can go visit him Sunday with some food and something. Just want to know what the time for visiting hours and if me can see him and him. So me that go Sunday. I say me can get a piece of KFC. If me can carry KFC or so. People me now come go beg a donation for me, just I do it out of my pocket and me look for friend. No me know a long time. But that's why she tell me, because me ask her. She say I'm supposed to Thursday and Sunday. But me don't know the time period. Me have to ask me, I gotta try.
But Thursday or tomorrow.
Yeah, but she still never give me the time, Triple. She said she don't know, she's not sure. So she gonna call me tomorrow, say me no go Thursday, me try go Sunday. So me have to buy 2 underpants and 2 marina. And probably one slippers.
Did you get back gloves or who have gloves again? Who did get back gloves?
Me not have cash a number.
Tickets for the 30 seconds. Tickets, you know if you use the gloves?
Me get nothing. Me not have cash a number.
All
Me
right,
have to get
execution.
cash a
Put it.
number.
No bother. Power tax my team.
But if anything, me want know, me that go, they gonna know what more. Me that really just jump in a car
Looking at the gift box stickers beside the word exclusive, you see a little box. That's where you click on. I don't want it now. But that's where you click on to find it.
I mean, if I send one money to country, go give me old lady, so me that beg somebody get some things to me so me can carry with me and the food. Buy a piece of chicken.
Roses, guys.
So I don't know how long he may go in there or whatever. But me I try call Missy but me now get her. Fear what is what.
So you not get bail when you're going to jail and so?
Him not gonna get no bail till court there, Triple. I tell her that already.
Why? So you not normally when you're going to get bail till you got...
Because of the charge you him get.
Oh, Roses short.
So him have to go to court and the judge decide if him can get bail. Or the lawyer would have asked him, say, or if the smart way have him a court, no go. That's how the case with Dashway. Yeah, man, if you not go the case with Dashway.
Them they do it for trial like them a tell upon him.
Well, him say him never do it. Him say him never do it. But you say him and the man. The person say him and the man, but him say him never grape her off because him something never stand up. She must have tried putting her mouth. I don't know the gully them did they.
I see people, them lifestyle is still, you know, remember, the people them were in the gully, you know, are persons where, you know what I mean, can't stay in them community because of them lifestyle. You see me I say, them are fish and people now want them in the R, them parents now want them in the house because them are fish. Or them just want to have them own way and live them lifestyle and left them yard and go down in the gully go live. You see me I say, that is like a safe place for them go. You know what I mean? But you have man with it a long time and them way they where take advantage of the youth them said way. So at that them say them must say Candy right now, you know what I mean? Ray the youth and the youth can him name gas station or something and him have the thing a go on and him no go back, and that a serious case, you know, people. That is a very serious case. You understand? So if the person can't be found right now, then maybe I go keep him for a while until them say, okay, we can't find this person. But me no feel like them a go give him bail, none at all. You understand? So right now, him have to just hold it, you know what I mean? And that is sad. If him do that, you know what I mean, him have to face whatever him have to face. You see me? Because the youth them come around them, although them a live the same lifestyle, maybe them no want in and nothing with them. So them have to respect, you know what I mean, respect them wishes and try to, you know what I mean, take care of them and show them the ropes or whatever. You know what I mean? So make watch some more here where L0CK officer.
So, oh boy. Staffy, thank you. So I lied. So the child how much?
Me don't know how much.
I want girl.
I want man.
So he did agree to it and then turn around and tell liar.
Yeah, him look like him that agree to it because he must say, she tell him say, one man I go get $1,000 if the man watch.
And he not get the money.
So I don't know how that allegation come up, but they were friends. I don't know the sleep all about triple. I don't know what kind of mix up that they must friend.
Staffy, thank you.
Them was friend where I sit down in our gully, so I don't know.
Poor person was my team.
4 rows chat.
Poor person was guys.
Them did not sit down in our gully, so I don't know. But it look like him jumped the case, so.
Thank you guys. Triple me team, triple chat, shoot. Triple guys, shoot.
But me I try to get to Missy, but me not get to her, but.
Triple chat. Sid,
Triple chat.
you. Execution, thank you. Come on, guys, shoot.
Guys, we're gonna something now, guys. Out of 1.2k people.
Shoot,
but they don't have the money gonna art no wheel, nothing. Nobody with a saving grace in a life goal.
Thank you.
Look good chat out of 1.2k people.
Shoot, guys.
This no look good chat out of 1.2k people.
Shoot me team.
But they don't have the money gonna wheel no art. Nobody can't snipe. Me have to left. Me can't stare no more.
Execution, thank you.
Me can't stare ears. Me have to left. No, for true. Pretty thank you. No, me have to left. Me can't stare no more. Me can't there so with 1.1k people and just want 3k for reach a 13 and nobody. It's not look good.
Alright, just so me I go in that one, your people. You see me? We're going to go over to the female, you know, where pull up at the place where them at All Ivani. You see me? I say, she up on live with RT Boss and Blinger. You see me? So, okay. So, this is one look part for RT Boss and Cheese and Blinger, Galangins. You see me? So, me I go into that look part here and then me play the video with the woman pull up at Ivani place. So we are gonna watch look at this until we play the one with the woman pull up at Ivani. See?
To be honest, You have to do something about her, but at the same time, we have to feed her right now because me and you personally know the media that know say cheese not happy. Them assume that. Them not understand say we have to eat cheese. And this is why it should reach this because the idea is me a play nice. But the thing is everybody know my more degrading. People, let me tell you something. I tell her, and I look at feed her. And we see she come. So it's like this. I'm gonna tell you something more than you need to know. I'm a good person. But you see when time you help somebody and them a crosses because I try with her. But when I want to understand her ears don't know her. Her ears don't know she go through her thing. When I call her organic crosses, it's not up in my feelings. I'm upset. I call her organic crosses because I truth. Because my sister is an idiot girl. She have a bad past and everywhere she go with her past. I mean, did I try to babysit her and coach her, you see me? But her problem is she just dunce. She just have a mindset where I hold her back and we can't entertain that because listen to me, you can't par with me and you not elevate. You can't run on me and you can't prosper. You feel what I say? She's worthless. And it's not bring her down at the truth. And many people need to tell her, this is what I said this now. You see, Bling no one go fair, but me just a talk because me and Cheese are a long time. Cheese have pitney. She's a good 37-year-old woman. I think she said she have 40. You never see Cheese with her pitney yet. She have a nice little baby in a Barbados where she run away with the father. You never see. No, I can see why she's like that. She miserable because as a lady, she go through a lot. Me not deny that. But Cheese not have nothing in her life. Let me tell you something, Cheese, where you need to understand, where you need to know. It's when you breed and care pitney as a mother and you left them out the road, you will curse. Judgment, take your mama. Because no matter what you are doing this time in your life, you make it right. You know me one thing I can tell about me and Miss Bling. Me and Miss Bling, they are bring down people and we have a life. We have kids, them are go school, them see we when we come off of the life and we're done class, we have somebody as a mommy, we have somebody as a daddy. When you come off of the life, who you have?
And we live clean. We live clean. People not have we name all about a drug, so we are criminal or a thief. In Ireland, them
Bring,
look, so we live
the
clean.
first time, let me tell you something. Bring, you see what happened to Ivani? The first time. Me what day I tell Cheese. Who remember the video one time? Me want Cheese about the thief. They are right there, so you know. And through them not believe in me Obeah thing as my spirituality. I say Obeah for the joke, but don't know me, it's not Obeah, man. And I says, big cranny, nasty thing, Cheese. I see you got prison, be careful where we can lead to deportation, And she got prison. The bottom line is, when she come around me did I try for coach her. But the bottom line, me I say, I'm not going to say she bad mind. Because I tell a lie. But me can say she's blood-clad crosses. And cross is different from bad mind. I'm not going to classify her as a bad mind girl. Even if you try to do this whole show now if you try to make Bling look bad. She's not a bad mind person. I studied that about her, but she's a crosses. And she's slow.
RT, you send some people at the battlefield, you know, so you have to give them what you tell them you will give them, because I see them in the battlefield a fight.
A lie, what going on over there?
I see them in the battlefield and stand up strong.
Never get black yet?
And the body that then go on them real page.
A lie.
Yeah. So you have to,
what them I do?
you have to give them, you have to, a lot, before you send them in the battlefield, them in the battlefield long time.
They might go out with themselves, bust the
So you
battle
have-
over there. Yeah, do that.
So you have to give them, they have to give them whatever you promise them.
All right. People,
Yeah.
I just they say the people. The thing is like Bling as I say, you know, change the picture, take off that. But the idea is, I guess with war now no limit. So that is why I just prepare for anything. We had with the Russia way and the Chinese way. We had drop bomb. So Bling, where we go from here so now? Anybody want to come up? They take me off. Me still a moderator. I'm not a person.
I missed what you guys were saying about the video. What was it about?
Which video?
For Ivani.
Oh, where you talking about?
You guys were talking about it before I come up. I didn't hear exactly what
Thank you, Nelly.
you said to make.
Oh, okay. Where I do a video. Wait, where I do a. Oh Lord. I blink to tell you, yeah.
Alright.
I'm being to tell you. I'm nurse burn to tell you because them come up with the idea. Me know want sound like me a clout. Me tired for them say me a the clout manager, you know.
To me still people, she is cool in her way. You know what I mean? Cheese we kick off every now and then. But as far as me see cheese kinda cool. You know what I mean? And as me say people, the social media thing yeah, take it with a grain of salt because this time these people are cuss, next time them good. You see me I say? So take everything with a grain of salt. Don't believe everything that you see. You know what I mean? Just like that. But more want this wagwan with cheese and RT boss and blinger for reach to the point where them want, you know what I mean, lock her up and them way there. You see me? Because we Jamaicans is like we try to use people's status against them when we in our next country. I mean not like that because anybody could have in any position. I mean not like how them a say like them can get a person deported or whatever. Which way me know say them can't get them deported like that because them have a case a go on. Them now go send them cause if them win them case them get for stay. If them lose them case them get for them send them out of the country. You know what I mean? So them can't just get them unless them illegal in the country and don't have a case. But if you're illegal in the country have a case, them can't just send you home. You know what I mean? Until your case finish. You see me? So make a watch some more hear what them a say.
Hey, I have, you know, oh yes, I have something. What look on time, may I come? May I receive? Bling, where you there?
She probably had do something. Thank you, Barbie Sims. Thank you, guys. Thanks for the gift. Nikki at work. Hi, Nikki.
See what I got?
Thank you.
Back to you.
Thank you, Tipsy.
What been gone?
I don't know. She probably gone. I don't know. She not there at the phone. Thanks, guys.
Hey, see
RT.
what, look, I'm showing you something real quick and done. Let me do one more. I'm so my wife drive there. So you what? That's why I blink no. That's why cheese not fair give me. Look.
Nice car. Nice car. Wanna reach. Nice car.
We are show off. Are you where wait, pan?
Oh.
Back to you now.
So I just that type thing, you know.
Shrink me.
Me have company. No, like my friend come and she takes I forgot come up. So
What you say?
yeah, my friend just come. We got pick she took the downstairs. So I have to go stay in here until but me can't left the live and run. And go
No, but I not gonna nice about you. Okay, I remember now, you know me. I mean a nurse burn I like talk. And me I get tired. Me one thing me in the mood to talk about Ivan and cost one time too. So what we are gonna do? Ivan.
Alright, so here are people. I go forward it to the girl. We pull up a which part them have Ivani and skip out all of this.
But I can't flip it, but there.
Okay, good. Alright, so what you say she's still there. Is it if a lawyer come there for morning?
So, based on information that they gave me, they said that they're waiting on a $2,100 bond plus a $20 fee, and also when that bond is being paid, then they will do the paperwork in order for ICE to come and transport her from here to the Olden Center in immigration. That's what the young
Why
lady
the band don't pay when we have money from yesterday and we have money now? So we have to wait for you when Taya have to say about sorry. Wait for you when Nats have to say about that. So the 2100 need to be paid.
So
All right, so let me ask you a question. Hold
plus
on.
$20, 2100 plus $20 for something.
So are you in the position to do that, or you know walk with the documents? Can you pay it now?
No, the thing about it is I can. I don't know her, she don't know me or anything like that, but I don't live too far. But it's just the fact that I'm a mother too, you know, I have a 7-month-old. And I don't really follow up social media, but every time I come and
take send you money now, can you pay it?
I can.
But the bottom line is, may I ask now, do you want me just make you pay the $3,000? Pay the 2100? Like how she did it now?
It's not 3,000, it's 2100 plus 20.
Talk to Nat first, though. Try to reach out to Nat because she's saying the same thing that Cassandra is saying. The same thing what Cassandra said since yesterday, she has said the same thing. So I don't know.
But do you know that still, me not hear nothing from what she named me yet? Like, me not see no information from... Alright, me walk with you. We're being positive now. I don't get any information. Where she name me come up as on which page? Where she come up as
Queen something, Queen.
Queen what?
Queen something. I'm not even sure. Queen V or something like that. I don't know.
Guys, I'm seeing your comments for all who's saying if I'm credible, I'm the honest person you'll ever meet in your entire life.
Listen, RT. She can probably go down to the bails bond people and you can sell the money directly to them versus her. She would just need to be there
worry about the money.
identification.
You want me worry about?
It is a bond company nearby you, miss?
Let me ask you that question.
No, they take it. No, it's not the bond company. They only take cards online, but right here there is the where you pay it right here.
But Cassandra went to a place yesterday for $315.
You pay it right here. It's just like when you go in there, you got to go to security.
All right, but here's the question I'm asking people who know in the comments. All right, this is what I'm asking you. As you can see, she go there and so forth. You think there's a play the benefit of the doubt. You feel there is a reason why Taya and the lawyer decide, you know me, so you think a reason why them decide not to pay the bond because by now we expect the bond there, or is there a policy where if we not to pay the bond, can somebody come explain? We don't know about the whole banding situation. Who know it good? We don't want no people where chat for free. Because hold on, no. You see like how she did it right now. Me willing for that to put up if you want to call it waste, but me willing to pay a bill right now to see if this we can change something right now with the bond. So or by you feel by lawyer it not for pay or whatever. Come in, no problem.
Talk to Nats first. Talk to Nats first.
I don't get no info, no
RT. Me not live far from there, so neither. Me I tell you that from yesterday. Listen, if you need me for do, me and Marlene were sending the money last night, the first $100. Me live down the street from them. Listen, my concern from last night, right? I mean, my point is, if you don't want me to go help, if you do something, me there, right? Me can't go over there right now, me can't drive over there right now. But my point is, remember, Nasta last night say, of course she don't want to come with the proof for sure. But when I say, remember the lawyer where Uno say Uno get and she confessed at the same lawyer. Uno can't ask the lawyer no question?
No, because she signed to the case, so that would be illegal. So we can't get no more information.
Right.
Okay. Cause my thing is how. All right. Yes, she said she pay money. But how we are gonna prove that she really pay money? Because don't you say we don't want to wait on Friday if you pay the money?
But that's start out already. Where we reach now is.
That's not
based on my knowledge.
You can't pay half.
A while ago that if you it's like they're making it out to seem like the bond has to be paid mandatory before anything else can be done.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right, Nikisha?
Right.
All right, so can we just pay it then?
So, base RT, what she's saying is that the payment for the bond is a mandatory payment before any other procedures can be done. But my thing is, did you say that he can pay it online?
You can pay it online.
You can pay it online, RT. We don't have to send nobody no money.
Can you get the info?
You can pay it online. I have it written down here. You can pay it online at cashbond.com. You pay cashbond.com.
Could you take a picture of the I guess the flyer or whatever they have it on?
Can't do that.
Send the info to them.
We should have one take it up. Nurse Brown and TikTok liar.
So, but the thing about it is, when I went online, because I went online to do it for her now. When I went online, it asks for
people. One bag of fool in the shago and I say, you know, me I tell you, yo, every minute or something else, me don't know how these people come like say them a go back go around in a circles. Me I tell you no, because at one point you have somebody else that had the case and said, boy, them a go deal with it. It drop out of that the person there and into a next person and them a go deal with it. RT boss Miss Blinger say them a go deal with it. Now this person, I don't know who this person is, pull up at the location, the alleged location, because she no go inside and ask no question or nothing. She just outside. It could be any building, you know what I mean, and say this and I said that. Boy, me people, me don't know what you think. This boy, Ivani, whatever situation she in, my people, me no wish bad upon her. You know what I mean? I hope say, you know what I mean, she get out of whatever situation she in. But me personally, if I was in any situation and these people to help me get out of the situation, me not lie, I wouldn't want them to help me. Big woman thing. Because it's been days now and nobody can come with no concrete argument or nothing at all. You see me I say? Not even the baby them no know what go on with the baby. I think Ivan is saying she no know what go on with the baby either. So all these people I don't is a bunch of nothing to me because days now and all know nobody no come and say here what go on, Ray. The only thing where we hear Ivan I talk to RT boss, send message to RT boss, right? And as if RT boss are the person where Ivani I depend upon and Blinger are the person where Ivani I depend upon, them let her down because every minute is a new person. What are the inner getting the lawyer? I think them have the money, you know. So all them need to do get a lawyer and deal with the lawyer directly, not no third party, nobody else. This woman come on the live, she says she live close by. The next woman here, me not really know her, but me just hope say very soon them can give some concrete, you know what I mean, update or where say Ivani out. When me see Ivani go live last night, me think say yes, she out. But no, nothing. No man. Jano Star. Me understand say if you're in a situation where you have to wait, it's okay. But we not get no information. Me not understand this big woman thing.
Also ask for
number,
inmate ID. I didn't have that,
right.
so I put her last name in, right? But when you search, she doesn't come up. That's what I was explaining to them inside. It doesn't come up on there. She doesn't come up on there. So the lady inside said that you'd have to call the number on there, which I did. I did call the number on there too as well. And then the lady that was on there from the cash bond place, she said that
anybody can pay the bond. On a keep on a talk about wait and liar. Anybody can pay a bond. It's just a bond, bro.
Yeah, but the girl said, all right, but listen, she's getting to it to pay it, but what she's saying is she's going to get she needs to get the number. There's a number, it's not just her last name.
No, that's understood, but the commenters are saying wait on the lawyer. That's not harming the case if they pay the bond.
Yeah, but them take care of the lawyer part already, so they just the bond now.
Let me tell you guys how this thing works. I live here. I don't live too far, whatever the case might be. And I've dealt with them stuff before, background reasons. Right? Even if you get to it, the lawyer, pay the lawyer, whatever the case might be, you still have to pay to bond her out.
Yes, so they can hand her over to ICE.
So they can hand her over to the ICE and put her in a hold. She's on a hold. right? Because I asked the lady, when she paid and she moves from here, where is she going to go? She said to immigration wholesale, right? So I asked, if she needs something while she's here, how can she get it? You can't bring anything to her, but she said that you can put money on her books where she can buy, like on the where she can buy toiletry and stuff like that and whatnot. If you want something to eat, you can do that. But you can't physically see her or bring something to her because she's on hold, but you can put money on her books.
Yeah.
All right,
all right. So this is a question. Well, I'm gonna take a cousin. I'm gonna take a cousin right now. I'm gonna take a cousin right now. Do you have Zelle?
If I have Zelle?
Mm-hmm.
I do.
All right, give me a Zelle now. I'm going to pay it. It's money. I'm gonna take a plane come here.
Archie, me find out for you. Don't worry.
Listen. I'm wide open.
How much it comes to?
You'll find.
Why would you keep on and say no for what reason?
All right, listen. Archie, wait.
Marlene,
Listen.
go down there, go meet her.
Do you want me to go there right now, go meet her?
Yes.
So at least I tour with that, eh?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Look here. What your name, baby? Me gonna send you my number and you call me right now. I'm putting on my shoes right now.
Where am I supposed to? Where are you gonna
I'm Marley 1311. I'm gonna send you my phone number. It's gonna be a 954 number, okay?
I love this.
I'm gonna send it to you right now, and I'll see you there in another 10 or 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, Marley.
See what? Archie, I think even if they pay the bond, I think even if they pay the bond today, she's not gonna be released.
Yeah, but we still have to get
You know what happened? We mean sorry, wrong word. We just want to pay the money.
Somebody
Okay.
I want you pay the money for her, but listen, so please may I ask you before you pay that money, see if you can get to Nats and find out why the lawyer hold out on paying the money, because we don't want to go and pay the bond and then right there so she just zoops gone straight in her immigration. Suppose the lawyer is using the bond to hold her where she's at to prepare
They're
her
holding out on
case.
paying the money.
That's the only, yes, there is a hold, but why is there a reason that there is a hold?
It doesn't
Listen,
work because
attorneys will use
Okay, so you guys
something
know
like that to prepare
information is-
themselves for her case. I am not saying that the money must not be
You know,
paid.
so
I
the chemical
want the
them
money
something
to be
upon
paid,
it.
but I don't want to, we go and pay the money, and when we pay the money, them send her gone straight to ICE and ship her off. Just give the lawyer some time to prepare themselves.
Heavenly,
That's the thing I'm concerned about, boss. That's it for me.
Marley, I text you my number.
Heavenly, listen. You see when we see with the lawyer, even so, he has to move from here.
Yes.
So whether the lawyer prep her here or prep her not, she has to be moved from here into immigration center. And the reason why is
not
because
what's keeping her at that the facility. The bond is not what's keeping her there. Is that what she's saying?
You don't like it? What you don't?
All right.
Keisha, just text me right now so I get your number because I'm headed there.
I want to go on so. Me go for my friend. See my friend here. No, una go on different place. The man soon come.
Send me the number.
I sent you the number in your message in your message thing.
What?
It starts with 954. You don't see it?
No.
Girl, I just send it to you. No, you name Nikisha?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just send it to you. Let me send it to you again. I just sent it to you
in a TikTok message.
Okay, I got it with 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, I got it.
Okay, text me right now. I'm heading there. I'm putting on stuff. Let's try to change my shoes like I rain outside.
All right, listen up. For me, what more I understand is it looks like a free money lab because from my lady leave here till now, I'm my inbox me they check. I don't see no message and I don't get no message of Queen of fire. Me not get no message. Me not see no in a
Marley, take time and
Archie, they're
drive.
saying Nats is here. Archie, they're saying Nats is here. Queen is here.
Take time and drive, mama. Take time and drive.
Yeah.
RT?
Archie didn't say Nats is here.
I don't mean to pry in y'all business or whatever the case may be. Like I said, I don't follow this. I just saw it so many times on TikTok when I came on, and I just left from work. and I just drove down here because it wasn't far, right? So what is the lawyer for?
To defend her.
Can find a letter.
All right.
RT, they said Nats is on. So if you have any questions you want to answer, ask.
I don't get any message from Nat.
Okay, that's a she in the when Nats send up your request.
Nats what? Bling? That's been a sin on Nats.
Guys, what is the bond? What is the lawyer for?
All right, you look like you know, so stop going on. Just tell me what you tell me. What do you try?
I don't know. I want to hear from you guys. What is the lawyer for? I'm just asking.
So you don't know where the situation is about then?
No, I don't know. I'm telling you.
Guys, Nats is here, guys.
I saw it a few times.
So you're reaching out?
Because I came on TikTok and I saw it a few times. I saw something with you and Bling on the thing, and I was listening to it. And I'm saying I'm not too far from whatever y'all say she's been held.
All right, be quiet a little bit.
I did send a message. RT Vanny's gonna call you.
So Vanny gonna call me so you come out.
She's gonna call you from where she is, and I'm asking you guys please not to post the bond. She will call you.
So don't post the bond.
No, do not post the bond. There's a reason why the bond is not posted. It's not like anyone can't go and post it. It can be done, but just check your inbox.
Yeah, Bossy, it wouldn't make sense.
This is my concern, Bossy.
21 people want to come up. TikTok police, put up Cassandra.
All right, but listen, I'm still gonna go meet this young lady. So just in case we need to do anything from here, I get to meet her, okay?
All right. Still gonna meet her, but we're not for do now. Still gonna meet her. All right. So.
RT, I'm gonna tell you again, nobody can go down there to just do it. They have to be a Georgia resident. They have to bring in their pay stub, a utility bill. Yeah, and
right, you know what
So people, what confused me is that the female will say she a go meet the girl just now. So why she never go up at the place and try to get the bond for Ivani? A while ago RT boss say him a go sell the money to the female we go check out what go on, and she could have banned out Ivani. So the female will say she live down the block. Me not understand still. You know what I mean? Why she never try go do all of that? Why somebody else have to come now and make the initiative for try do something before she try go up at the place for see what she can do for Ivani. You see what I say? So these people them just then dip on the live and them attack and them live in a close proximity to which part them have Ivani, and them wouldn't go up at the place go see what information them can get and see if them can ban her out. Come on, man. So we could watch some more still and hear what them a say.
What on it?
Whenever I tell you the documents them so you can be prepared before you go there.
Alright, hold on. Made her. Okay. Alright, so listen to me now. Alright. So I want to make it be a situation where alright, listen to me I say. Me have to talk to Ivan. Me have to talk to Ivan. No. ASAP. And if it even for go fly, Milo look a ticket for me to Atlanta.
Y'all want to help her or no? Like,
hold on. Look a young girl, look a girl, man.
No, I'm just asking something. Not to like, not in that way. Not in that way, like paying money. I'm not talking about.
Yeah, but we have to hear from the lawyer first. It's like we at a listen to me. I say, no, you try help and we respect that and we love that. But it's like this. We're confused because the lady where you see come up here a while ago, she just changed she's just all right. Okay, so we put it this way. Queen of TikTok I chat for Cryy. The lady Nat just come. I'm tired. Take time with me. And she just come and she follow me and she feed me with message. And the message that she feed me with, me have to process it. If me go process it in the sense of that's what I say me need Ivani. So me still, even if I don't believe what she tell me still not gonna repeat it too, you know, but me have flood with message right now. But I me have to call the shots we are gonna make right now. But me, you know, I have to decide if me I go trust what she named there, which is where I try to work. So what I go right now is me want to call for my Ivani. But right now, you went at the car there. Let me tell you a story short. In the seat, let me summarize it. Based on Nats, she would have said, you can go there. That's how we get it. Based on the information, well explained, I'm going to use the terms, well explained terms, that uno for go home. So that's the whole understanding. Wanna get that?
Can I say something, Bossy? Nats, if you're listening, if you're paying attention to what Bossy has been saying for a long time, he is not a Obia man. He's a spiritual advisor. He needs to get to Ivani. He cannot help her without her permission. He needs to speak with her. You understand me? So the thing is, Bossy wants to do what Bossy do best. So please, I am asking you, give Bossy the chance as somebody who has experienced this man, as somebody who respect. Listen to me, people. Let me tell you something. RT that comes out and cuss and go on and give you the show is not RT that
May I read where the information
do the work.
May I read the information and
You
summary?
understand me? When RT will do the work, him have the most loving, sweet, kind-hearted. Listen to me. Not if you mean your friend good.
I am going on an important phone call. I'm going on a phone.
So apparently, Nats just told him that Ivani is going to call him. I'm not sure if I heard that correctly, but she said that RT, Ivani is going to give you a call from wherever she is. Guys, confirm whether or not I'm saying it's true.
Thank you so much, Nat. Yeah, we're all here for Ivani best interest.
Guys, I am nobody. Y'all can say as much as y'all like. That's okay. I'm not thin-skinned. I'm not thin-skinned at all.
So why them a go at this girl there? She just a try to help out a situation. You see me saying? So everything go on pause, you know, my people. I go try skip out couple light because about a couple minutes left. You know what I mean? To see whatever other information them give out or whatever. Because as me say, me I watch this with Uno. You know what I mean? Me never watch it before this. Me I watch it at the same time with Uno. So yeah, me I go try to skip out and see if any more information, or if not, me just go to the cheese spot where RT boss make cheese breakdown and cry. You see me I say?
and stay with Taya and say, step back, them have it under control. So,
Guys, I am nobody. Y'all can say as much as you.
alright, my girl, but darling, I'm going to say something to you now. Earlier you say, well, the law, you know, understand, but you try and you understand, I respect that. So here I got me now. Me have to make a decision based on the information. Somebody based on the information that I'm getting right now. Me have to agree and stay with Taya and say, step back, them have it under control. So may I use back the same word as saying them have it under control. And let me say something. Let me process. Alright. So alright. I want to go step away from the camera a little bit for process something. But what I want is, I want you, darling, your kindness and your generosity to do all of this. I respect that and all of this. I do appreciate it. I don't want you to leave it until Marlene come. But I want you to stay in the box until...
She's texting me now. She said she'll be here shortly.
I just come and then take a picture there because I want in my history book and send me a picture. So we got it. Alright. So for those of you, let me go to some news now. Breaking news! Ladies and gentlemen, the time is 7:27. Okay, popular RT boss has just get correspond with Nats. They are in dialogue and conversation and WhatsApp and greeting. Further on in the news, you will know more detail, but right as it is, we have to mute. So RT boss and Nats in tight detail. The man get whole heap of information and he no want to talk to saying chat too much, so he zip up his mouth, but they are corresponding right now. But I will inform you if no money need to pay. Okay, so we are correspond. But the rate of how she correspond, my leg going blood clot mouth. So me have to read, and I agree. So it look like a long time she want to tell me some things. So he just tell me now, I look like Ivan must tell the judge say, you want to talk to IT, I tell IT then you text me now. Okay, so that's all I can tell you. And I don't like TikTok. I brother when they send me voice note. Lady, all of them sitting here put on a voice note. I mean, I like read too much about something. You sit here stress me out too much reading and paragraph. One thing though, lady, look like you're low right though. Bumper blood clot. And they might have come here and full stop and set a blood clot. But anyway, may I take my time scramble the word. You wanna laugh, huh? You can't laugh, so.
But me a hero no, me a go on hero no, you know? Me there, you know, my friend just come in from foreign, so me there sort her out. But me a hero no, me a go on hero no, you know? You hear?
No.
Me a go on hero no, but me a sort out my friend little.
Me no hear. Me no hear.
When them come, when areas want give people recognition, whistling. Sometimes you just you don't know so you know to look at you. Them gonna come off and remember you did you read the strategy of it go up on the podium, you know, Miss Bling.
I want one. Who's the pan there now? Pen.
Me no want you.
God.
We not give them the recognition.
Hey, well, like me now.
It's okay to be too enough because too enough we over here too enough too, but at least we're getting
okay, so listen me now. This
yeah.
let me say something. In my inbox, hey, you know, so me there check my inbox. Let me tell you something.
Like, so she too enough.
Alright, hear this now.
No, because what they are saying is like she just come up in her box and she don't know anything. She don't know Ivani. So everybody else like if a how is send her or that's why them said no new people. She feel
young lady.
She know.
It's okay to be too enough because too enough we over here too.
Boy, may I tell him. So this girl, yeah, she just stopped. She see what go on the internet, and she says she stop at the place to get some information or whatever. So she must think that she could have help out. So she jump in at the box, and I say, yo, me the right just right now. You know what I mean? Them I say about the ban and whatever. The people in the thing, I say the pitney too enough. You see me I say? Me not see that as enough. You see what go on TikTok? Yeah, try feeling a helping and whatever. You know what I mean? I really feel such enough for you. Make me know what I think. So I go over to Cheese, you know, because Cheese and RT Boss been at it for the longest while, you know. RT Boss must send one picture with Cheese boyfriend, baby father. You see me I say? And Cheese start give some history about the baby father and whatever. Maybe the next video when me drop, me give you some more information on that. But me I go to the part now where Cheese break down and I cry because this video stretch out too long and I don't want it stretch longer. So me just go to the part where Cheese, you know what I mean, break down because I years now she not see our youth, and you know what I mean, RT Boss send this a message I come give her and whatever. So we just go straight to it and listen some of it and then me end it.
Start dealing with more than everything we just done a big informer right now. RT, the government have to know about the scamming where you're going with. You go too deep in my life. You try to break me. And you can't break me. My daughter, I'm going to see if you want to chase this boy come. Police may go use by you. I tell them about the scamming. I tell them you want me to collect scamming money for you. Because I don't do it, you want to drag me through the bus. You got to deal with you like how if you get deal with. I'm not joking with you. You get me pitney involved. My baby father cause what? You might have to remember my daughter look on this a piece of shit here. I always go the weakest route. After hurt me because I love my pitney them here. All I want to chat up on a stinking bumble clap mouth in a youth. You don't even know. But it's slow to make on talk. Yeah. You win RT because that hurt. You bring back all heap of memories, yeah. My thought I've never had a birthday in this little girl's life. That's why I hate my baby father so much. And you are going to bring up this nasty, stutty man. In my life. Poor thing. I'm going to try to find the doctor will cut off Nicky Wood. And that make a blood clot try do, because I get enough and personal. And this them want to do to Ivani. This I want wicked something guys shouldn't hear me come for life every day and ball people. I want wicked something that's why I pray. Because I don't want her fall in these shoes that I am in right now. I don't know how much pain me a bear. Who used to know me on Instagram, Facebook, know me with my baby. Me not left my baby, me not go nowhere. I was and I am a good mother. Yeah. Me say Pitney, me say. Anybody who used to watch me on Facebook, it was always Cheese and Cryy. Yup. People say me left me pin them all about. Me no left me pin them all about. Things do happen in my life. And then me rather peace for them than carry them come and walk and suffer, catch a people. When I go to Jamaica, I never wanted to go back to capture land. That is my main reason why I leave that little girl. If I had somewhere to go straight away, I would have bring my daughter. That's my only daughter. And I trusted this man because this man was so good to me. This man was really good to me. Who didn't know? Who used to watch me then? Tell the people them no man. This man is a man. I don't know how the man changed. So I should go back and there with my baby father Jamaica. Yeah? And that make me the man hate me and tell himself, say, oh, he now make me get the picnic and him just start being mean. You see? If I never did back with my baby father, me and my baby father, Barbados would have good back. Good. But because when I go through and I explain to my baby father Barbados and tell him, and trust me, it was really heartbroken to him. So he was mad surprised that I went back. So him did upset too. He said, I want him that around that. You get me? That him say. That is exactly what my baby father say. Me explain how cruel this man was to me. I shouldn't even go back to him, but me never, what kind of choice me have? Me never go around and take down the place. That for a long time I stay since I come to America. A long time I say, so who know me? No, say me is not a taker. I will do niggers, but I'm not a taker. You come and bring up my freaking this past now. When my baby father, me hate him because of what him do to me. Yeah, come on, man.
So my people, alright, so me I go end this. So me I say the video run too long now. So alright, so me I go end it. You see me?